You know what? I heard that this hotel makes its own ice cream. Why don't you take Ryan and try and find some, huh?
What a great idea. Go for it, sport. Just nobody come back pregnant. I'm just...
First of all, you have to download this XML. This XML will have CC and 3D text. And on this note, a subscribe is a must. And I will suggest you prepare the 3D text in a light motion itself. So let's learn the tutorial.
Purchase your tracks.
I have already cut the clip. I am making a video with slide animation. Now let's learn how to zoom like this. First add a keyframe and then add a keyframe at the end. Zoom in a bit on the end keyframe, and I will zoom in all the following clips using this keyframe.
Purchase your tracks today.
Look, the zoom is done, but how to do this kind of zooming? For that, you need to go to the graph and make the graph like this. And your video will look something like this, and do the same for all videos.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Now you need to give an exposure effect. For that, add a white image from the overlay.
Purchase your tracks today.
Then go to opacity and do as I am doing, and apply it to all videos. adjusted speed.
Purchase your tracks today.
A great idea. Go for it, sport. Just nobody come back pregnant.